Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about something super exciting, how much it actually costs to host your website on AWS. If you are tuning into this series hosting your own website, you will know that in the first video, we walked you through setting up your website using just the bare minimum AWS services. Today, we are diving into the numbers to see exactly what that setup costs. All right, let's dive in. First, log into your AWS account and search for billing and cost management. This will take you to a dashboard where you can see a complete breakdown of your spending. You can view the cost by service, region, account, and you name it, right? AWS gives tons of filters to dig into the details, so it's really easy to see where every dollar is going. Now, for our simple website hosting setup, most of the cost went towards registering the domain name. That was about $14. That's pretty much the bulk of it. The rest was a small $1 charge for Route 53, which is AWS DNS service that manages your domain. So when you add it all up, the total comes to about $15 per tax. So in total, it cost about $15 for the services and an additional of $3.15 in tax, bringing the grand total to $18.15 to host your own website on AWS. If you found this video helpful and are excited to explore more about hosting your own website, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. There is plenty more to come in this series, so stay tuned. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.